Now you can see the ECG. So this is the thermosensitive wax coated standard graph paper, which is divided into 1 millimeter square. Now this horizontal axis, it represents the time in seconds, and the vertical axis represents voltage. So what I will be showing you is that you can see here also, in this ECG complex we have 5 waveforms, which we label it as P wave, then Q, which is the downward deflection, R, S again the downward deflection, R is the upward deflection. So this is Q wave, this is R wave, this is S wave, and then we have the T wave. So we take this QRS as a complex. We take it as a single unit, that is QRS complex. You can see here as well, I will show you on this. Now if we take this square, I can show you here, this square. Now you can see that there are small squares inside. Now each of the small square is 1 into 1 millimeter in dimension, and this one large square, it is equal to 0.2 seconds. So small square is equal to 0.04 second. That means this much, it's 0.04 second, whereas this whole, it is equal to 0.2 seconds. Then coming to the horizontal, in the horizontal direction, what we see that again, because we know this small is equal to 1 millimeter, so this is 10 millimeter, and 1 millivolt is equal to 10 small squares. That means from here to here, these are the 10 small squares, and it is equivalent to 1 millivolt. Now this ECG machine, it has a standard speed of 25 millimeters per second normally. So the machine covers the distance of 1500 millimeters horizontally like this in 1 minute. Now how to calculate the heart rate? So for calculation of heart rate, we divide 1500 by RR interval. That means we have to see this. This is R. I told you this is the R wave. We have to see RR. So we have to see how many squares are present in this RR interval. So we have to divide the 1500 by these number of squares. Say for example, if we calculate here, we have to see how many squares are there. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First, it's just a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there are 19 small squares. What we will be doing, we will divide 1500 by 19. That will give us the heart rate per minute. So it will be equal to, that is almost 78 is the heart rate per minute. So I will be showing you the complex. This upward deflection, it is the P wave. Now you can see that there is a downward deflection, and this is the Q wave. Upward deflection is the R wave. Then again the downward deflection is the S wave. Then after S wave we have this upward deflection, that is the T wave. So this is P wave, this is QRS complex, and this is T wave.